Hello, my name is Dexter, and today I'm going to review and compare these 3 electric element sockets available on the market so you know what to buy and what not to buy. Before I go on, I want to remind you before you begin working on your water heater, you must read the manufacturer's warning label. This first one is what I like to call the Knuckles Buster. It's cheaply made. You can't make a socket out of thin sheet metal, and now remember this. Your element has been sitting on your water heater for a while, so it's very stubborn to get it off. Your grip will slip and you will hurt yourself, so do yourself a favor and throw this one in the trash. The second socket looks nice, feeling heavy and durable, but it has its own flaws. It slips because it has too much taper at the face of the socket. It only grips half of the thin nut on the elements, and it does not have enough contact area for better grip on the shallow head nut of the heating elements. For that reason, you could end up with a round-headed nut on the heating elements like this one. It's wobbling, it doesn't support the element when you're trying to reinstall it, especially bottom elements. You could end up for hours on your knee with this socket. Last but not least, introducing our patented Deep Impact Element Socket, especially engineered for electric water heater elements. It's a 1/2-inch drive, 1.5-inch snug fit, providing a flat contact area for better grip for easy removal and replacement of those stubborn elements. However, its best feature is that it securely holds the new element in place so that you can use the socket as a handle to align the threads while installing the new element. Can other tools do this? Here's how it works. We provide the element locking mechanism already built inside the socket. If you look straight into the socket, it has 2 thin walls and 2 thick walls that crisscross each other. Now on the element, it should have 1 or 2 printed sides and 2 blank sides. Line up the printed side of the element into the thick walls of the locking mechanism, push it all the way in, and give it a little turn to lock the element into the socket. This is the new revolution to save you time, money, headaches, backaches, and a painful knee from the other guy's tools. This is a must-have tool for any plumber or do-it-yourselfer. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please go to httoolsllc.com. Oh, and if you like the video, please subscribe.